Hi everybody. Unleashing your inner drive refers to tapping into the deep well of motivation, determination, and passion that lies within you. It is about harnessing your inner strength and energy to pursue your goals, dreams, and aspirations with unwavering enthusiasm. When you unleash your inner drive, you feel a strong sense of purpose and commitment to take action and achieve what you truly desire. Here are some key aspects which I will tell you of unleashing your inner drive. Number one, clarity of purpose. Knowing what you want and having a clear vision of your goals is essential to igniting your inner drive. When you have a purpose that resonates with your values and passions, it becomes a powerful drive force. Number two, self motivation.